What is up, Pack? It is Austin with a vlog video. This is gonna be, it's like almost midnight, and I kind of wanted to do a vlog to let you guys kind of know what's going on, and quite frankly, I haven't been uploading a whole bunch of videos, and you know, figure why not do a vlog, kind of let you guys know what's going on. And I was actually gonna do it in my room, but my room's a mess, and quite frankly, I'm way too tired to even clean it. So I'm out here in the barn. Willow. So I figured I'd give you guys a little hello to the horses. Don't give me pissy ears, you little fuck. And there is Faith. Faith. Hey, that's my buddy. And here is the lumbering beast, Grace. Hey, Fatso. Hey, want a cookie? Back it up. This is she is a half Clyde, so but this is Grace. This is my mom's little baby. Alright, I tricked you. I'm a horrible person, I know. I'll give you a cookie in a minute. And here are some of the rabbits. I don't know if you can see them very well. That's Smoking Joe. Say hello. I don't know if you can see these guys too well. It's a little dark. Here's Angus. It's a big black rabbit. If I get better light, I'll show you why I call him Angus. And there's Frankie. He's a very, very, very happy rabbit. And I don't know, she's the original attack rabbit. And that's Penny. We actually raised Penny and Angus here. Angus is black, so it'll be probably hard for the camera to even pick it up. But they were both, like, they could fit in your hands. They were so cool. And then these two, I believe, and this one came from, like, I think California. But anyway, I figured I'd show you guys the animals, and you know, that's all the crates. You could actually probably, no, you can't see them. But anyway, those are the animals, and of course we got a cat and Tucker, which I think Tucker's been in a bunch of my videos. But so anyway, the last couple weeks, as some of you may know, I actually have two jobs. I work in the mornings at Popeyes, and then literally right across the street, I'm working at McDonald's. You guys probably already know about McDonald's. I actually worked at McDonald's before I worked at Popeyes. Yeah, so I'm grinding away and still trying to bust out videos and have a life and have fun before I fucking lose my mind. You know, they're both pretty dead-end jobs, but I actually got a call that, you know, restored, you know, I don't know if faith in humanity is, you know, restored, like, maybe I can make it, you know, a little glimmer of hope. I went in for an interview at, it's an electronics recycling facility. They called me today while I was at work, and they're like, you got the job? And I was like, alright, I gotta put my 2 weeks in. They were like, that's cool. So I start on the 6th. So on the 6th, 8 in the morning, saying that so I remember. So it's like $13 an hour. I put literally, like, at the end of that day, I was like, so putting in my 2 weeks, bye. And my mom's texting me, what am I up to? Mother doesn't know my plans. Can we see her? Is she out there? She's not out there. We have time. But anyway, so that's been kind of going on. We're supposed to get like 10 inches of snow, so my boss told me yesterday, like, don't even come in. So get to sleep. It's awesome. But I gotta shovel snow. Shit, you know, I can't win. But the last couple of weeks been kind of rough. We had like an ice storm last week, and unfortunately, when you know it rains in big piles of shit, and my and my grandma isn't doing too well, so she's been in the hospital within the last like 2 weeks. I think like 3 times, and she actually went to the doctors today. She's got like bronchitis, and so they probably shouldn't have released her today, but they did, and yeah, it is what it is. But what are you gonna do? But I got when my taxes come in, I'm gonna have my family paid off. I don't know if you guys know this. I try to pay rent for my parents. I still live with my parents. So my whole checks, you know, tax returns just going right to them to pay them off. So I only got like my credit card to really sort out. And but with also that said, we have probably a pretty cool video coming up. Somebody, I cannot remember his name, hit me up on YouTube asking about Glendale, and that's like the other thing that I kind of want to touch on. The urban exploration community is like crazy. So like we start talking on Facebook, on Messenger, and oh, I've been here, and here, and one thing led to another, and so the talk is that we might be going to Loudoun State Reformatory. I'm gonna be breaking into prison. I still play that in my head. I'm breaking into prison. It's like, shit, they'll take me there. I just have to do something fun, but so hopefully this weekend we'll be able to do that, and that'll be pretty cool. I heard they're going to be remodeling it, but he gave me some information. They're remodeling some places, not all of them, so we'll wait to see on that. Anyway, so my grind's starting to pay off. It's just not paying off as fast as I want, but that's life. But things are starting to sort out, and I haven't mentioned this on YouTube, but I do plan, because I'm as some of you, or probably as a lot of you may know, I'm a tree guy, and unfortunately I have not been having a whole lot of luck with a lot of companies here. So if you can't find a path, make one. So I don't know if it's gonna happen this year, but I'm gonna start my own tree company, and I'm kind of dabbling in the idea of making daily vlogs on the tree company. I'll probably put another channel at that, but my battery's at like 10%, so I'll have to cut off here and see you guys tomorrow. We'll see how much snow we got. Peace out, guys. I'll see you in the morning. A little food before bed. Well, it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Just shoveled the deck, little path. And yeah, we got a little bit of snow. God damn it, winter. Just quit, winter. It's over. Anyway, I got a bunch to do. Damn it. I scooped that part out. man. Just have to do down here and around his car, and then I get to use the snowblower. The snowblower. Ooh, you guys are upside down. So you're probably gonna think this is stupid, but I can't figure out how to fuel that thing up. Usually with these nozzles, these stupid anti-spill nozzle bullshit things, they're a pain in the ass. So I've never used this one, so I don't know if you twist it and push in or what. But what happened to the day of you pour the fucking thing into the tank and it's all good? I don't know.